What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Sean Wave, and as you can see, I'm back at y'all with another destination video. In this video, I'm going to be going over the OVO Torino Pro. So, let's not waste any time. Let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so before I start this video, I just want to let you guys know you may hear a few sounds from the street behind me or the ocean behind me. If the audio is off, my bad, but I just wanted to shoot this video outside because I thought it would look dope. But basically, I came to Thailand for vacation, and I have been here for a pretty good while now. I went to the major cities. First, I flew into Bangkok. I stayed there for a few days. Then I flew to Chiang Mai. I stayed there for a few days, and now I'm in the beautiful island of Phuket. Man, I love my life. I ain't gonna hold y'all, but that's not really why I'm here. I just want to show you guys just a little bit of what this island looks like before I really jump into this video. As you guys can see, it's very beautiful out here. It's very beautiful. I went to the Phi Islands. I've been up and down this country of Thailand, man. I'm telling you guys, it's been great. My light may be off too because there's clouds out here. So if the lighting changes, it's not because of me. It's because I'm outside and clouds are going in front of the sun. All right, so let's talk you guys head off. Let's start talking about the OVO, the Torino Pro 500. Now, this is not going to be a straight up review of this brush because J. Lou already has a review on it, and he did an excellent job on a review. So I'm just going to give you guys my impressions of the brush and how I feel about it, and if I think you should buy it or if you should not buy it. And also, if you haven't seen J. Lou's review on this brush, I'll link it up here so you guys can check it out. So the first thing I'm going to say is I love the white on gold paint on the brush. I think it really looks good. I think it looks fantastic in my opinion. The color of the brush is the main reason why I purchased it, because I do like white bristle brushes, and I like with the white on the paint job. It's glossy, it looks really good. Second thing I'm gonna say I like the gold on the Torino sign. The gold really blends in with the color of the brush, and I just like how it really looks. Now let's talk about the bristles. This is the only brush that I brought with me to Thailand. And I know I made a video about bringing certain brushes with you and having things to travel with, but honestly, I knew I was going to be ripping and running throughout this country, so I knew I wasn't really going to be able to get any brush sessions in. So I said, you know what, I want to bring a brush that has a little bit of pull, but it's a softie, just to lay my hair down. Because, I don't know if you guys know, but Thailand is very, very, very humid. It's humid as hell out here. So, with that being said, I knew I wasn't going to get no brush sessions in. I knew it was going to be hot. I knew I just wanted to brush real quick and rag up. So, I decided to bring this one. So the bristles are pretty long. This brush reminds me of the Torino Pro 2556. That's the black one with the blonde bristles. But the bristles on the Torino Pro 2556 are a little bit shorter than this brush. And even though it's just a little bit shorter, that gives this brush a little bit more flexibility when you're brushing your hair, and it's going to be easier to lay your hair down. Honestly, me, I'm a huge fan of long bristle brushes. Short bristle is cool. That's where you just want to get it in, because those bristles aren't as flexible as a brush with long bristle. But if you're just trying to lay your hair down and just have your hair have a nice shine to it, me personally, I prefer a brush with longer bristles. Also, this is a 9-row brush. Man, I ain't gonna hold you, yo. I was a huge fan of 7-row brushes, but I mean, these 9-row brushes are really they got me coming around. I'm not gonna lie, they really do. They got me coming around. So since they got me coming around, I just like the way it feels, because I'm telling you, with my pattern, I've been doing a lot of vertical brushing, a lot of it. So these 9-roll brushes have really been helping me out. And lastly, I want to say I'm woofing right now. I'll show you guys my hair, and honestly, I want you guys now, my hair doesn't look the best, and that's just because, like I said, I've been ripping and running. I haven't been putting, matter of fact, I'm lying. I was about to say I haven't been putting anything in my hair, but I have been using Legion sauce. Yo, I live and die by Legion sauce. I'm not even gonna lie about that. I live and die by Legion sauce. I gotta order some more when I get back to the United States, but I live and die by that stuff. But my hair doesn't really look the best because I haven't even been washing it or anything. Like I said, I've been out here for a minute, but I just want to show you guys what it looked like and how this brush has really been holding me down. So you guys can see my pattern, you know. Like I said, it's not super laid, but it looks all right. I mean, this brush, for me, it's really been holding me down, honestly. And that's the only reason why I've really been using it, to keep it funky with you. It's really been holding me down. Vertical brushing with 9-roll brushes, man, you can't beat it. You just you cannot beat it. All right, guys, so that's my take on the Torino Pro 500. Like I said, it's not an official review. I'm just telling you guys how I feel about it. If you guys want to check out the review, I'll link Justin Lou's video up here again, and also I'll link it down in the description so you guys can go check it out and get a real in-depth review of the brush. If you guys want to purchase this brush, I'll also leave a link down below to where you can get it. It's on Amazon, and if you have Amazon Prime, you can probably get it in 1 to 2 days. And honestly, when I ordered my brush, I got it the same day with my Amazon Prime. I ordered it in the morning and I got it that afternoon. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. If you guys like this video and you want to see more videos like this, click or tap the subscribe button. Also, if you guys haven't seen my last video, click or tap right here. Shout out to Brush King for creating these brushes. But it's your boy Sean Wave. Shout out to One Wave Nation, that's my squad. Don't forget, love is love. Peace.